Hi and welcome back to Stealth Security. In today's video, we're going to look at how to find hidden usernames using Sherlock. Sherlock is a very powerful tool and it can help us find these hidden usernames across many websites. Sherlock is written using Python and Sherlock basically scans hundreds of websites to check if a given username exists. So you can see how this can be very useful for cybersecurity investigations. If you are a HR, you can use Sherlock to track the social media profiles of a potential candidate. And you can even use it as your own privacy checking tool because you might have some old social media profile that is exposing some sensitive information. So Sherlock is a great tool for that. So let's go ahead and install Sherlock first. I'll use pip and install Sherlock project. Let's give it a second. Great, Sherlock is now installed. The first thing we should do is run the help command and see what comes up. You can see that Sherlock has a lot of options. It's interesting, but the basic use of Sherlock is just Sherlock and the username. Let's quickly skim through the options. You can save the output, that's great. You can even reroute requests through Tor, and you can save the responses in CSV or XLS, which is great. If you're doing a large-scale scan, it'll be useful for you to save the results and use it at a later date. You can also choose to limit a site, which we'll try and do. And we can also set timeouts, which would be a great feature because Sherlock scans literally 400 plus sites. So it'll be great to have a timeout so that we can have quicker scans. There is also a flag to include NSFW. Obviously, we won't be doing that, but if that is something you're looking for, there is an option for that. Great. So let's scan a username. We'll try Beyonce. Sherlock, Beyonce. Let's see what comes up. As you can see, Sherlock has already started displaying some output. Yeah, but obviously it's going to take a while. We'll see how to speed up these results. Let's stop it. So to speed up the results, what we can do is we can simply add a timeout flag. So the timeout will say how long Sherlock should wait for a site before it gets a result. So let's run the same command and add timeout of 5 seconds. You can see that the results are significantly more faster and we have way more responses now. Great. Let's stop it. And the next thing we want to try is multiple usernames. So what if you have multiple usernames to scan for? You simply add them one after the other. Sherlock, Beyonce, Elon Musk, Katy Perry. And yeah, Sherlock will go to work as usual. So it looks like it scans one after the other, but you get the idea. You can even use multiple usernames. Now, what if we want to limit to a single site? Let's say Twitter. We can use the site flag. Let's try that. I'll do the same with multiple usernames. I don't think multiple usernames is supported, but let's try. Site, Twitter. Yeah, it is supported. You can easily use a list of usernames and check them across a single site using the site flag, which is very useful if you are scanning a range of usernames and you have very limited number of sites to check. Great. Let's see how to save the output. I'll use the same command and let me add output flag and I'll name it result.txt. Yeah, output command is supported only with a single username, which is not great. I'm hoping that it'll change in the future updates. So let's try Beyonce and with Twitter and result. So the result has been saved. Let's see what the result file has. Yeah, basically whatever your response you see in the terminal is saved in the result.txt as well. So we've also seen how to speed up the scan results. Yeah, this is all Sherlock is basically. It's a very useful tool. It's quite simple, but it's extremely useful and very straightforward if you want to track and expose hidden usernames across multiple online platforms. It's very valuable for security research and, as I said before, your personal privacy checks. Also, this tool can be used for stalking people, and it's illegal. We don't promote any illegal content. So please use tools like Sherlock responsibly and only for ethical purposes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I'll come back and answer. And please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you soon with a new topic. Cheers.